Are you constantly feeling overwhelmed, unable to focus on work or studying, and finding yourself getting lost in the world of social media? What if I told you that the key to improving your focus could be right in front of you? Your room. In this video, I'll share some life-changing tips from the Japanese book, The Reason Why You Can't Focus Is Your Room, and dive into the science behind how a tidy space can boost your concentration. The book doesn't have an English translation, so this is the only place you can learn what's written. First, let's analyze your current workspace. Grab your phone, take a picture of your desk, and let's see what can be changed. Do you have coffee cups or unnecessary cables lying around? Maybe they're post-its that you don't need anymore. Taking a picture of your desk is crucial because it allows you to visualize and understand your current state more objectively. Our brains are wired to adapt to our environment, and sometimes we can become blind to the clutter around us. By taking a picture, you create an opportunity to see your workspace from a different perspective, which helps you identify areas that need improvement. According to a study by UCLA Center of Everyday Lives of Families, CELF, cluttered environments can lead to increased stress and decreased productivity. So it's essential to take that first step and objectively evaluate your workspace. Now let's dive into the tips to transform your space and boost your focus. Tip number 1. Don't put things that you don't use on your table. According to Princeton University research titled Interactions of Top-Down and Bottom-Up Mechanisms in Human Visual Cortex by Stephanie McManus and Sabine Kostner, having a cluttered workspace can negatively impact our focus. The science behind this is that visual clutter competes for your attention and reduces your ability to concentrate. To apply this tip, start by removing items that aren't essential to your work, like old magazines, decorations, or unnecessary gadgets. Keep only the items that you use daily on your desk, such as your computer, keyboard, mouse, and essential office supplies. This way, you will create a clean and clutter-free environment that will allow your brain to focus on the task at hand. Tip number 2. Avoid having multiple tasks and objects in your line of sight. As mentioned earlier, a cluttered environment can decrease your focus and work efficiency. A study by Microsoft Research found that multitasking can reduce concentration by up to 40%. You might have experienced losing focus when you're interrupted by another task or maybe a person while working. Although some people can prioritize tasks and work efficiently, it's best to avoid interruptions from other tasks while focusing on one. This finding is supported by the 2004 study, A Diary of Task Switching and Interruptions of Mary Swerwinski. To implement this step, create a workspace for each task you perform. For example, have a separate area for taking notes, reading, and working on your computer. By compartmentalizing your tasks, you minimize distractions and maintain a higher level of focus. Tip number 3. Change your working environment. Sometimes a change of scenery can do wonders for your focus and your productivity. A study from the University of California showed that alternating between different types of tasks and environments can help people stay engaged and maintain focus. Different environments can help stimulate creativity, improve concentration, and reduce boredom. Most of the time, people go to cafes or co-working spaces to change the scenery, but even just a different room in your home can be helpful with that. Now that we have established the importance of changing your working environment, let's talk about a tool that can help make it easy and seamless. Introducing the Asus ZenScreen MB249C. Asus ZenScreen MB249C is a 24-inch monitor like no other, packed with accessories including monitor arm and partition hook kits, and is truly a transformer. The Asus ZenScreen MB249C is a lightweight, slim, and easy to carry monitor that allows you to work in various environments without sacrificing screen real estate. Effortlessly move it from desk to desk at home to easily change your workspace setup. With its numerous accessories, the ZenScreen MB249C is a perfect for those who want to create a dynamic workspace, as it can be easily moved and adjusted to accommodate different working positions. This portable monitor is a game changer for people who want to work efficiently in various environments, whether it's at home, in a co-working space, or even outdoors. The Asus ZenScreen MB249C comes with a USB Type-C port for both power and display, making it easy to connect to your laptop or computer. Apart from laptop, you can also connect to your phone and pad via Type-D monitor. Also, MB249C has an integrated fold-out kickstand that you can use as a stand to prop out, set up at the desk, or use as a handle to carry. With a 24 4.1-inch Full HD IPS display, the Asus ZenScreen MB249C provides you with a larger screen to work on, helping you stay focused and be more productive. The Asus ZenScreen MB249C features Asus EyeCare technology, which helps to reduce eye strain and fatigue during long working sessions. The monitor has a blue light filter and flicker-free backlighting, allowing you to work more comfortably and maintain your focus. By integrating the Asus ZenScreen MB249C into your workspace, you can further optimize your environment for focus and productivity. Tip number 4. Tidy your desk for 5 minutes at the end of the day. This might sound really simple and stupid, but it's essential to maintain a clean and organized workspace. So make it a habit to tidy your desk for just 5 minutes at the end of each day. This simple routine will help you declutter your workspace, making it easier to focus when you start your day fresh next morning. By dedicating a few minutes each day to tidy up, you will ensure that your workspace remains free of distractions, allowing you to concentrate on your tasks. Plus, it's a great way to wind down after a long day of work and mentally prepare for the next day. Tip number 5. Change your desk position. Changing the position of your desk can have a significant impact on your focus and productivity. If your current desk position doesn't receive sunlight or it's not in a corner, consider rearranging your workspace for optimal results. The best place to put your working desk is in a room is near a window that allows natural sunlight in, as exposure to natural light has been shown to improve mood and energy levels. Additionally, placing your desk in a corner or against the wall can minimize distractions from your surroundings. A study from Northwestern University found that employees with exposure to natural light during the workday had a better sleep quality, longer sleep duration, and better overall quality of life compared to those without natural light exposure. Another study from Cornell University found that natural light exposure can decrease eye strain and discomfort by 51%. So don't forget to put your desk near to the window so that you can get some natural light in. Tip number 6 is use quality productivity tools. By investing in high quality work materials, you can enhance your productivity. We tend to focus more when we enjoy the items we use or when they provide less friction in our work process. Or maybe it's just me. Keyboard recommendation is this little guy, iQnix F96. For a top-notch keyboard, consider the iQnix F96. This mechanical keyboard features a stylish design, customizable keycaps, and an ergonomic layout that can improve typing speed and comfort during long work sessions. I'm so obsessed with this keyboard and I just love typing with it. Note-taking pad recommendations. To elevate your note-taking experience, check out GrowMate's line of high-quality notepads, like this one right here. We also have the pen. Their sleek design and premium materials can make jotting down ideas and tasks more enjoyable, helping you stay organized and focused. And for monitor recommendation, I would recommend Asus ZenScreen MB249C. This is a great monitor choice which offers a portable and versatile display solutions for an optimized workspace. Its lightweight design, Full HD IPS display, and Asus EyeCare technology make it an excellent investment for increased productivity. By using quality productivity tools, you can create a more efficient and enjoyable workspace. I've put links to the recommended products in the description below so that you can easily find and invest in the right tools for you. After implementing these tips, you will notice a significant improvement in your focus and productivity. Your workspace will be transformed into an environment that encourages efficiency, concentration, and overall well-being. By investing in quality productivity tools and optimizing your workspace, you will have the perfect setting for tackle tasks with newfound clarity and determination. Over the weeks, as I applied these tips to my own workspace, I started to experience a remarkable shift in my focus and my productivity. My once chaotic desk had become a heaven of organization and efficiency, and it's truly made a difference in how I approach my work. I could feel the change within me too. I became more disciplined, motivated, and eager to tackle my tasks each day. My newfound productivity even started to spill over into other areas of my life. The weird thing about productivity is that it's sort of like a domino effect. Once you get over your first obstacle, the others comes easily. The best part was realizing that this change wasn't about just me. It was something that anyone could experience by following these simple steps. By sharing this journey with you, I hope to inspire you to transform your workspace and witness the same incredible growth in your own life. Hope this video was helpful, and see you next time.